क्लियरिटी आना चाहिए. So shall I? Here I begin. We are talking about GDP deflator. So deflator is a tool to neutralize the effect of rise in prices in a year. For that you must know two tools first, which we have done already. That is nominal national income and real national income. When we calculate nominal national income, we take current year prices and current year production into consideration. And when we calculate real national income, we take base year prices and current year production into account. When we talk about the real national income and the current year production is only taken into account, the base year prices do not have a effect on the current year production. We get the real picture of production only, and GDP is all about production, as the definition of national income goes by the final value of goods and services produced in an economy, in a financial year. So that is why we take real national income and nominal national income into account. And in order to calculate the GDP deflator, we take nominal GDP, which is to be calculated, and real GDP, which is to be used, multiply by 100, because it will be in the percentage or in index form. Whatsoever the value will come, the value from 100 to that value will be the difference and will give us the effect. So I am going to take it into a small numerical example. For instance, our nominal GDP through the expenditure method, because recently we have done the expenditure, and expenditure method we take price and quantity into consideration. Let us say it is 21,000 crore rupees and real GDP is 20,000 crore rupees. So nominal GDP here is greater than the real GDP. When we calculate the GDP deflator, it is nominal GDP upon real GDP multiplied by 100. So nominal GDP here is 21,000, real GDP here is 20,000. When we calculate it, what we got? We got 105. This 105 is our GDP deflator. Where we use it? How we use it? Let us take it here. Let us convert the nominal GDP into real GDP. Then only we will get to know. For an example, we have an equation of x is equal to y upon z multiplied by 100. We have the value of x, we have the value of y, we don't have the value of z. Or vice versa, we have the value of x, we have the value of z, we don't have the value of y. It could happen in any form. By that way, we are able to convert it. We will use the numbers as such we have calculated already. So real GDP will be equal to, because we are converting nominal into real, so we have to calculate real GDP. So real GDP will be equal to nominal GDP upon the GDP deflator calculated already, multiplied by 100. Put the numbers into the equation, you will get 20,000 crore rupees back. This 20,000 crore rupees is equal to this 20,000 crore rupees. That is real is equal to real. And we are able to neutralize or understand the effect of the rise in prices in a particular year. Clear? Understood? Take it.